Well, we are about to do a fucking unboxing on the MiniFreak. Motherfuckers. So, I didn't give in to my impulses right away. It's not like it was a full impulse. It's definitely going to be very useful in many different ways. Fuck it. So, yeah. Going to Guitar Center, I'm like, I need a MIDI keyboard, something I can travel with. And I walk into Guitar Center, I'm taking the FL key, just something simple, something light, something nice. I'm like, yana. Basic, simple, yes. That's all I needed. It's 200. Bet. I walk in and I see this guy. $600. I'm like, I want that one. I don't even look at the other one. I'm playing around with this, touching all the knobs, and I'm like, yeah, this is the one. This is the one. This is the one. And I have the one. So, yeah, this is lit. Shout out to Colin at Guitar Center. Literally, what a guy. Oh, comes in a nice sleeve. I don't give a shit that the box is messed up, cause it's not the box that matters. It is what is inside. I don't even have a traveling case for it. I don't even have any protection for it. Like this box, it doesn't even fit in the suitcase. Like the thing will, but not the box to keep it safe. So I'm gonna have to figure something out, or I'll just figure out where it's gonna hide. But, oh, hello, you sexy beast. Let's see, let's get a closer look. Let's see, oh, does everybody love my child? I don't even care if you say you hate it or think it's ugly. Honestly, that's probably like exactly what it's like having a real kid, because there's a lot of ugly babies. There's not a lot of cute ones, but when you find a cute one, it's like, oh, that baby's cute. Maybe I'd have a baby, and then you see an ugly one, and you're like, fuck, that's why I won't have a kid. But yeah, this one, however, supermodel baby. I don't know why I said that. I thought puppy monkey baby. Puppy monkey baby. But shit, it comes with the USB cable, normal USB-A on the other end. We like this one. We like USB-A. It goes USB-B to USB-A. So lit. Then you got power adapters? That's, yo! For the different outlets in the around the world. Oh, why did I look cross-eyed doing that? Anyway, yo, that's pretty cool. I'll get really fucking interested in looking at these and be like, what's this from? Fuck. You got those. And you got your actual power thing. Like, look, they like snap on into there. That's pretty fucking cool. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Alright. Now, we take out what we've been waiting for. Oh. Oh. Nice and cold. Oh. Hello. 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 Like, I get closer so you can hear it. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, no. The clicks. Oh. Baby girl, you've been on my mind, fulfill my fantasies. Yeah. Alright. But, yeah, it's got fucking USB, sustain, clock in and outs. I honestly don't even know what those mean. I am new to this. This is my first synthesizer. I didn't say that. It's a hybrid synthesizer, so for the real synthesy guys, I know this isn't that, but give me some slack. I also travel, so it can't be massive. I can't fucking bring that shit on a plane. The hell? Well, yeah, I could, but I wouldn't want to risk that. Plus, it'd be expensive. No. I don't want to. But yeah. Oh, goodness. I can't wait to get it all plugged in and situated and fucking. God. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Yeah. But yeah, I had to. With this, I had to get the so the outputs its stereo out. So I had to get stereo to mono or dual mono, whatever you want to, whatever it is. I just know I say 2 to 1 because that's what it's doing. It's going 2 to 1. And 2 to 1 is also compression ratio, slurms terms. So don't get confused with it. This isn't a compressor. I at least know that about music. Oh, but yeah. Got this. I'm gonna geek out. So yeah.